Hare Krishna friends, Radhe Radhe, welcome back to my Kanha's Darshan. Ma Katyayani is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri. She is one of the most worshipped forms of Durga. Today, we are going to see the story of this fierce form of Ma Durga. But before we begin, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you can get my new video updates. So now, let's get started. Ma Katyayani is one of the main form of goddess Durga and she is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri. She may be depicted with 4, 10 or 18 hands. In Shaktism, she is considered as the fierce forms of Shakti or Durga, a warrior goddess which also includes Bhadrakali and Chandika. And traditionally, she is related with the color red as with goddess Parvati. Skand Puran mentions her being created out of the spontaneous anger of gods which eventually led to slaying the demon Mahishasur mounted on the lion. This occasion is celebrated during the annual Durga Puja festival in most parts of India. It is told that long ago there was a sage by the name of Katyayana. He was a huge devotee of goddess Shakti and spent days and nights in the prayer. Sage Katyayana always wished for goddess Shakti to be born as his daughter. During this period, an evil demon named Mahishasur was creating great trouble for the gods. As the days went by, he gained more power and the gods were increasingly worried about him. The gods approached Lord Vishnu to sort a way to end Mahishasur. As per Lord Vishnu's instruction, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma joined him and then they emitted flames which took the form of Katyayani. As a manifestation of Durga, she then took birth as a daughter of sage Katyayan, as a result of which she came to be known as Katyayani. Ma Katyayani was created to end the sins being committed by the demons and was born as a fighter. She has a dazzling form with 3 eyes and 18 hands. The gods gifted her with their weapons to kill Mahishasur. Lord Shiva gifted her with a Trishul, Lord Vishnu gifted her with a discus, that is Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Varun gave her a conch shell, Lord Agni gave her a dart, Lord Vayu gave a bow, Lord Surya gifted her with a quiver full of arrows, Lord Indra a thunderbolt, Lord Kuvera a mace, Lord Brahma a japmala and water pot, Lord Vishwakarma a battle axe and other weapons. Thus armed and adored by the gods, Katyayani proceeded. The Asuras saw her and captivated by her beauty, they so described her to Mahishasur, their king, that he was anxious to obtain her. On asking for her hand, she told him she must be won in a fight. He took on the form of Mahisha the bull and fought. Durga dismounted from her lion and sprang upon the back of Mahisha, who was in the form of a bull, and with her tender feet struck him on the head with such a terrible force that he fell to the ground senseless. Then she cut off his head with her sword and hence was called Mahishasur Mardini, the slayer of Mahishasur. The Bhagavad Puran describes the legend of Katyayani Vrat, where young marriageable daughters, gopis of the cowherd men of Gokul in Braj, worshipped goddess Katyayani and took a vrat or vow during the entire month of Margashirsha, the first month of the winter season, to get Lord Krishna as their husband. Devi Kanyakumari is said to be the avatar of Devi Katyayani or Devi Parvati. She is the goddess of penance and sannyas. During the Pongal, a harvest festival which coincides with the Makar Sankranti and is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, women worship the idol of goddess Katyayani carved out of wet sand during the month of January. Friends, that was it. I hope you all like my video. Now we shall meet in my next video with another story. Till then, take care. Radhe Radhe.